Welcome to Celestia.
The building has an elegant waiting area for you and your guests, a dine-in hall with the capacity to serve over 50 people at a time. It also has a children play area so you don't have to take them anywhere else.
Lifts will be on standby round the clock. Here is your studio apartment, with a fully equipped attached bath. And a fully equipped kitchen. The apartment is designed and furnished with due dedication to serve your needs. With a beautiful poolside view.
Rare Holiday Homes.
Make your stay better with us.